Right, so today we'll be making my mum's whole grain pasta salad, which keeps me lean all year. Start off by cutting a cucumber lengthways. Now cook a whole bag of pasta. After that, we cut the cucumber into small slices and pop it in the bowl. Now do the same with the red peppers. I prefer red peppers, but you can use any. Cut 20 cherry tomatoes and put them into the bowl. Now grab some basil and finely slice it. Get some rocket and spread that around the bowl too. Get some baby spinach and slice that up too. Now you will need a small jar so that you can mix the dressing. Get some Dijon mustard and use about 3 tablespoons, along with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Also slap in a teaspoon of pepper, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of mixed herbs. And finally add 2 tablespoons of green pesto. Then close the lid and give it a shake. Make sure to drain the pasta, run it under cold water and slap it in the bowl. Get a can of chickpeas, drain them and chuck them in. Now pop the jar of dressing in with some tuna and some olives, along with a block of feta cheese, then give it a good old mix. What I like to do is to split this into 4 portions and then carry them throughout 3 or 4 days.